Hey guys, Dumelang Sanbonani Absheni. Welcome back to my channel. I am Kanyisile Dibe. I'm a foundation phase teacher. I teach my faves grade 3s. I am taking you guys through a series of different strategies that we use in problem solving, and it is all from the previous workshop that I recently attended. We were encouraged to use these strategies in our classes, implement them slowly, then eventually our learners will be exposed to various strategies that they can use to solve word problems. And in my previous video, I did an additive, a combined additive word problem. I wanted to show you guys, before I move to the change word problems, I want us to go through a part whole strategy that we can use to solve additive word problems in a pictorial representation. Basically, a part whole is equals to the sum of two parts. I will give you an example right now. Let me take you through the visual representation of the problem structure that I have here. We are going to read the sum together. This is an additive word sum, but we are going to solve it using a part whole. Linda had, the structure for the part whole is as follows. It's a box with two parts. Remember I said a part whole is equals to the sum of its own parts. These are the parts that I was referring to. So this will be P part 1, part 2, and the whole. This is an introduction to part whole. Now, Linda had 12 buttons. It's part of the whole. She got 9 more buttons. How many buttons does she have now? She got 12 buttons. It's the one part. She got 9 more buttons. 9 more buttons, which is now this second part. How many buttons does she have now? These two parts make this whole. Now we need to add on. 12 plus this 9 gives us what? It's 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Our whole is 21. So this is a part whole pictorial representation. Let's move to, before we move to the second example of the sum, there's something I want us to see. This is a part whole. However, with this sum, the whole is unknown. The two parts were known, but this whole was unknown. Let's move to the second example of a part whole. In this example, let's draw the box for the part whole. It's the two parts and a whole. Okay. Linda had 12 buttons. Linda had 12 buttons. This part is known. After she got some more buttons. She had 21, meaning that with this sum, the whole is known. However, the other part of the whole is unknown. So this sum is a part whole, change unknown, or the second part unknown. Now we need to figure out, she got some more buttons. How many more buttons did she get? Now we continue to count on. From 12, it's 12. We need to get the other part that is unknown. 12 is the part known, and the other part that is unknown is the part that we need to figure out. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. The other part that is unknown is a 9. Right, so this is a part, whole, change, unknown, or the other part unknown. Let's move to the last sum now, the last example that I have. You will encourage your children to draw the box, or you can give them the word sum with the box already drawn in. Yeah, I think give them a word sum with the box already drawn in. Always encourage us to give learners typed out word sums if you are able to type them out at your school, or the teacher will type it out and read it to the learners, then they solve it in whichever strategy they are comfortable with. Now, let's go through the last example. Linda had some buttons. This part is unknown because she had some buttons. After she got 9 more. Second part, known. The second part is known. She had 21 buttons. The whole is known. However, the start is unknown. She had some buttons. What is our start now in this case? Because after she got 9 more, she had 21 buttons, which gives us the whole. We have the whole and we have the 9. Now, we need to figure out the start, that is unknown. Okay, now we need to figure out this start unknown. You can ask your learners to count on. It will be 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, which is a 12. So the start unknown was a 12. These two parts, they make up the whole. Now, let's do a quick recap of the sum. The first sum that we did, the visual representation structure of this whole is whole unknown, change unknown, start unknown. So this is part, whole unknown, part, whole, change unknown, part, whole, start is unknown. Whether a child can solve it this way using a part, whole, or using the previous number sentences that I was using on the previous video, it's still correct. However, this is a visual representation of the problem structure. It's still correct. A child is allowed to use this strategy if they can, or the other strategy that I shared on the previous video. So I hope this part whole strategy makes sense, and if you found this video helpful or relatable, please give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to comment, share the video, and click that subscribe button. Thank you.